it's Alexa back with another video. Today I have another sneak peek review for you guys. We have a 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Now this is one of the newer models that I haven't learned much about just yet, but I came here to Royal Chevrolet to find out more about this trim model, and it's a nice little off-road package. So we do have our saleswoman here, Michelle. Hi. She has been in my other video of the Chevy Silverado High Country. If you guys haven't seen that, please go check it out. But as you guys saw from the intro, this is the Trail Boss that we have going on here. So first of all, it is very aesthetically pleasing. When I walked up to it, the first thing I noticed was the wheels and the tires and everything like that. She did say it comes standard with a 2-inch lift from the factory, right? So as you guys can see, we got the metal running boards here, even got the Silverado accent on it, so I like that as well. Gives it a little more rugged look. And just so you guys know, if you see a Trail Boss out in the streets or on some terrain, this is their sticker right here.
Now this Silverado. Is the LT Trail Boss. There's actually going to be 2 Trail Bosses.
Okay.
Chevy is going to 3 different, going from your normal 3 or 4 trim levels to 8 different trims for a truck for everybody. They have their high value, high volume, and high feature. Okay. This is part of the high volume segment. High value segment will be the regular basic work truck, your custom truck, and then they're also going to have a new custom Trail Boss. Okay. So it's going to be different from this one. It'll be a little bit different. Okay. A little bit more basic. Okay. But still have the same. Still have the same exterior look. Yes. Essentially. Okay. This is the LT Trail Boss, part of the high volume segment, which is includes your LT, your LTRST, which is another new truck. Okay. And you can give them a sneak peek up front. Okay. And the LT Trail Boss. Okay. And then of course your high feature is going to be your LTZ and your High Country. All LT Trail Bosses, even the regular custom Trail Boss, will come with standard with Z71. Nice. I really like that decal. It looks good. And if you guys didn't notice, right around the front here, they do have the tow hooks already painted in red. So yes. Just goes along with that look here. Even got the Z71 right on the front. And if you guys take a look at these headlights, these are some really nice LED headlights, I assume. So I can see right here, these would be the running lights that are on all the time. Okay. Is that carbon fiber inside of there? That's what it looks like. They've not told us a whole lot about these yet. So, you're learning what we learned. We've been learning. Like I said, guys, this is a sneak peek review. So I do apologize if there is not every single tidbit of information. But yeah, that is definitely carbon fiber. I really am not sure if you guys are able to see that, but they have some here. It's even here at the bottom of these lights. You got your fog lights down here. What you're going to notice about the Trail Boss is it comes with the black bow tie. Yep. On the custom, it will say Chevrolet up the front. On the custom Trail Boss. Okay. But this being the LT Trail Boss is going to have the black bow tie. This also comes standard with the black chrome bumper, black chrome on the grill. I noticed there's some ventilation here on the side. Yes. So when they've changed the truck body style, they've added these air vents. They're not just for show, but they're for function as well. So what ends up happening is the air is actually going to flow in as you drive it and come through the body line here and go out the other end to help with aerodynamics. I just can't get over these wheels. These are 18-inch wheels, and they are the Goodyear Wrangler, and of course standard with the black rim. Nice. And they even got a nice little coat on the brake calipers too, so looking really nice. I'm curious to see up under the hood as well, so we'll pop that for you in just a second. Mention of the door handles also being the black. Door handles are also gloss black, as well as the mirror cap. Top of the mirror as well. Do you know what color this is by chance? This is graphite. Graphite. Okay, I like it. This came out 2 years ago. It's one of my favorite colors. I like it because it almost has like a green hue in a sense, so I like that. Alright guys, so here's up under the hood. We're so short. Exactly. I know this truck is really tall compared to me, so that 2-inch suspension lift is definitely showing itself right now. But this is the 5.3 liter. Yes, 5.3 V8. 5.3 V8 with dynamic fuel management. Okay. And we were talking about dynamic fuel management in the last video. This has 17 different functions that are going automatically all the way down to 2 cylinders. and all just constantly going.
Okay.
It's a computer program. I don't know how they did it, but the engineers at GM did it, and it's supposed to get even. It's supposed to be fantastic.
So if this operates so well, what is the gas mileage? I thought I saw.
The gas mileage is going to be around 16 city, 22 highway.
Okay.
That is the EPA estimate. That's the normal 5.3. This being with the 2-inch suspension lift, it's going to be a little less.
Oh,
so 15
right.
city, 20 highway.
Okay.
This does have the power down tailgate,
Okay.
but because this is an LT, it does not have the power up tailgate.
Could you get a Trail Boss with a power up tailgate?
No.
Okay.
That is an LTZ or high country standard.
Okay.
But
Not the worst thing in the world, but at least, you know, it won't slam down.
you
Look
can
at that.
still. And you can see this one doesn't even have the bed liner, but they all come with a tailgate liner.
Okay.
Standard.
That's pretty good.
And we were talking a little bit about the tie downs last time. So you can see each corner has 3 tie downs for a total of about 12.
Okay. Yeah, I do
Right?
see
Each
that.
corner can hold 500 pounds. And then all the other little tie downs that you've got, 250 pounds.
Okay.
And one
Not
thing,
bad.
as we talked about before, is the bed is a little bit wider, a little bit deeper. I want to say 7 inches wider and 3 inches deeper than the
Okay.
previous body style.
Okay.
And you'll notice back here a plug. That is a,
it sure is.
120 outlet. They say don't put anything that like you have to heat up, so like no George Foreman grills or anything like that.
Oh, that's what people use it for.
I know, that's what my thought was, tailgating. But no, they said like, you know, if you want to like charge like, you know, a battery or something, or you need to plug in, you know, like an air pump or
Oh,
whatever.
okay. Gotcha.
So
Nothing
just
that
kind
can
of
heat
just
up.
like things that don't have heavy voltage.
Definitely have the dual exhaust there. Got your tow hook and everything. Got your step ladder right here.
Yeah, remember we
So-
talked about that was a little bit wider.
Definitely. So I like that. This looks really good. All right. So I guess we can shut the hood and check out the inside.
Yeah.
So opening the driver's side door, here we have some storage right here. We have a nice little wood finish. Gives it a nice little accent. We do have Bose speakers. If I get in, here we go.
And then you're going to notice that this is not your traditional 4-wheel drive.
Okay.
You have a 2-speed transfer case.
I
So
see.
you can go, which will emulate 4 high and 4 low. So you can see the buttons right there. And then your trailer brake control is still down here.
Okay. Yeah.
You can actually turn your outside lights on, including your mirror lights, all from those buttons right there on the side.
Okay. So the lights that were on the outside of the mirror, I know most people probably think those are turn signals, but
Yes.
those are actually lights. that
Those
she
are
told
actually
me.
lights, yes.
So that's pretty cool. Speaking of lights, I mentioned that I like how a lot of these lights are coming with the bright white, almost LED type lights instead of the kind of yellow bathroom looking bulbs, I like to call them.
And
So-
then, of course, we know you're a sucker for sunroofs.
Yes. Yes.
do
See,
not-
she remembers. She remembers. I love sunroofs.
Well, here's the cool thing. You don't have to get an LTZ or a high country now to get a sunroof.
Okay.
It is available in the LT.
There you go. So you got a Trail Boss, you got your nice little sunroof. There's even some more side storage right here. Here's some more wooden trim panel.
And this is an option. You can get a 6-passenger Trail Boss. So,
Oh.
like as you can see the leather here,
Uh-huh.
these are all options.
Okay.
So you could get your regular bench front seat.
I didn't know they still made bench
Yes.
front seats.
They do. In your lower trim levels, they do.
Cup holders here. Got 2 right here. Does this have any wireless charging or no?
No, this does not.
Okay.
But you can
Not
see
bad.
here, you got another 110 outlet,
Okay. Got your standard
USB,
house plug.
USB-C, and then why does this not want to open? There we go.
Okay.
Secretly charging. And then, of
Nice.
course, as we talked about before, your piano keys. Your rear park assist, because this one has front and rear park assist.
Oh, good.
This is your auto start stop. This is your tailgate, so you can power down your tailgate, but you've got to lift your tailgate up by hand.
Okay.
Your blinkers, traction control, plug in the back.
Oh, hill descent control there. And let's see. I'm curious to see what the screen looks like.
Go ahead and just put the car, since we're sitting inside, let's just put the car in accessory mode,
Okay.
so you can kind of just see what all the things. We probably should shut our doors.
Yeah, 'cause it'll yell at us
So
the
it
whole
won't yell
time.
at us. The driver information center is very similar to that of the high country. Now you can see here, you're going to have, this one comes with Sirius XM satellite radio.
Okay.
You will notice some of the LTs do not come standard with it.
Okay.
That is a Sirius XM thing. They are going to more of a streaming platform.
Okay.
So that way you can have one account for everybody in the household, download the app on your phone, all the cars now are having Bluetooth capability to stream. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto.
As I showed you guys in the back, it does have ample amount of legroom, in my opinion. So, that's looking pretty good.
You have dual zone heat and AC again.
Okay.
You're also going to have your Wi-Fi hotspot. It's got your trailering ability, so you can actually cycle your trailer lights because you've got a trailer light test on these trucks now.
Oh, that's good. As you guys know, it's 5:37, which in December means it's pitch black outside. So I'm not going to include the test drive portion on this one, but I wanted to give you guys an overview because there's still a lot of information coming out for this 2019 Trail Boss.
You can still see your camera.
Oh, nice.
But unlike the High Country that we looked at,
yeah,
this only has two views. Your trailer view and your regular view. So you can see there's your trailer view. There's your regular view. And it doesn't stay on long because, again, we don't have the vehicle turned on.
Okay.
But this particular model, you'll notice, has a heated steering wheel.
Okay, good. Love that.
This vehicle is a completely off-road vehicle. It's got the Mono Rancho tube shocks. It's got the underbody shield. It's got the jounce bumpers. All standard for Z71. And Z71 is no longer going to be a trim level. It is now a free flow option.
Okay.
And for the first time, it's going to be available on the lower than the LTs.
Okay.
Such as the custom Trail Boss that we'll be coming out with next year.
Okay.
Now, the official launch they have announced is going to be first week of January. So we're still learning every little tidbit we can get.
Yep. So that, like I said, there's more information coming out. But, I mean, in general, I'm pretty impressed. And I asked her earlier if someone didn't want all these bells and whistles like the leather seats and the auto stop start and push button start and everything, how much would that run them?
You could probably get one, I must repeat, around 50 grand.
Okay.
This one loaded up is about 56.
Okay.
Now, there are some packages and things that are available for you that will include things like remote start and push button start, things of that nature.
The one thing I wish that would make this even cooler is if they had a Trail Boss decal like on the seat somewhere, or maybe had some red stitching in here to match with the outside. So, as always, let me know what you guys think about this vehicle in particular. As I said, due to daylight constraints, and it is pretty chilly out, I ended up doing a review on the inside of the showroom. Let me know if this is something that you guys don't mind me doing, because of course during the winter I'm a little more crunched for time and everything like that. So I hope this was some pretty good information for you guys. I'm really impressed by this model, so I can't wait to see when more of these come out. And the way it looks, since it's already rugged, it doesn't seem like you really need to do much customization to it, but I know people will because it's a truck. So, but yeah, if there are any other questions that maybe we didn't touch on or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you enjoyed my video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do post twice a week, so there is always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you again to Michelle for all of your great information. If you guys want to contact her about this vehicle or any of the other vehicles that they have in their showroom, please let her know. I'll leave her information in the video as well. So, but thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.
Bye, YouTube land.
YouTube land.